Then at the same point of time, there was a lot of criticism which the poster had to face. So what do you have to say about that?
I mean, see, my personal opinion is that this is a creative medium, and I think, of course, as filmmakers, people who work in films, we obviously want a certain amount of creative liberty. Having said that, as far as this film is concerned, it's a Raju Hirani film. You can't, and you know, it's Amir Khan on the poster. I mean, these are people who have a lot of credibility attached to them. So one must know that if it's happening for a reason, and it's happening for a reason which is going to be completely justified when you watch the film. So that is, I think that's what my reaction is to whatever happened and all. But you know, at the end of the day, we are a democracy. Everyone has an opinion, and everyone should voice their opinion. So they did. It's fine.
Are we done?
Get me sorted. Oh my God.
Anushka, you know, Anushka, you know, like, since Amir's this poster it came out, you know, it created some headlines. So do you think that आपका भी poster लेके there can be, you know, would you want a headline to be created, or are you attracted to headlines?
What are you saying?
Yeah, are you like, you know, we asked Katrina sometime back. She
What?
said that, you know, she likes
Headlines?
Exactly. She likes appearing there. You know, whenever it's her story is there, she likes to keep it as a record for herself, because after a point of time, you know that, you know, you've been at that point of stage, you know, at that stage at point of your career.
मैं समझी नहीं मुझे.
नहीं, आपको पसंद है कि आप भी कभी हेडलाइन पे आए, be for a PK poster or for anything else?
You make headlines.
You making headlines.
Yeah, of course. Hello, I'm an actor. What do you think? What else? But for the right reasons. I mean, for the reason that I want to be known for. See, you have a certain way in which you look at yourself, and the way in which you look at your career and how you're doing in life. And I would want that whatever the headlines are that you are saying, calling them, they obviously should tally with how I personally see my career and myself. And I don't want to make headlines for for the wrong reasons. And that's something that I'm not interested in.
Because of late you've been on the headlines.
How smart you are!
So, you know, how do you react to...
I'm wondering why is this question so pointless? I got the point now.
How do you react to those headlines? You know, when you have your pictures coming out of your personal vacation and stuff like that. So how do you react to that?
I feel like I have always been, I've always lived my life in a certain way. And I'm quite open as a person, and it's like really nothing that's there to hide. But I really feel like it's a part of my personal life, and I've always stayed away from talking about it, and I'm not going to comment on it. So I would really respect if you guys don't ask me these questions. I would be very, very happy, and I will love you all even more if you all don't ask me these questions.
One last question. Parineeti recently has tweeted, she's taken a stand and she's said that she's really proud about all the actresses who, like, you know, of lately faced controversies, and in that she's mentioned your name as well. So what do you have to say about that? I mean,
About?
She's tweeted that she's proud about all the actresses who've taken a stand against the controversies which we have faced of lately.
Okay.
And she's mentioned your name as well in the tweet.
Huh.
She's mentioned Deepika's name, she's mentioned your name, Sonakshi's name.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say about that?
I've always been of an opinion that if you feel strongly against something, and if you have something to say, you must always speak up. I mean, this is something that I'd done many months ago, at the beginning of the year actually. And I voiced my opinion because I thought that people should know my point of view. And I think this is when I did it at the time, I thought that yes, this is the right way of doing it, because you know, everyone's opinion is important, and sometimes what happens is when you don't give out your own, things just are left at, you know, they just become conjectures, and that's what they stay as. That becomes a reality, which is not the reality. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I did what I did, and I think I'm very happy that all of us are now, you know, voicing out, and you know, Deepika, even Sonakshi, I think she also said something. So yeah, absolutely, have an opinion, you should speak up.